बाद बात आती है फाउंडेशन की, एंड दिस बैकग्राउंड नॉइज इज रियली irritating me. So after applying,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to So Much Love. Today I'm here with my another video and I'm really excited for this because I'm sharing all my favorite makeup products that are under 500 for all the beginners out there, because I know it is very difficult for a beginner to choose products and that too affordable. So, and I know if you are a beginner and you starting your makeup, I'm also a beginner. I don't count myself कि मैं बहुत pro हूँ makeup में, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But हाँ, I started my journey of this makeup and everything from YouTube. And YouTube पे जब मैं videos देखती थी, I was like कि it looks so easy, you know, to watch a video and see कि वो कैसे मेकअप कर रहे हैं. बट जब वो हम खुद करते हैं, रियलाइज कि यार इतना डिफिकल्ट क्यों है. And I learned it step by step, and everything that I know about makeup is through YouTube. So I thank YouTube for everything and I love YouTube. So okay, and you're going to go step by step, स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक मैं आपको हर एक प्रोडक्ट बताऊंगी और इसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, सो दैट इट विल बी क्लियर फॉर यू व्हाट टू बाय एंड फ्रॉम वेयर टू बाय. एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट यू टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड गिव माय वीडियो अ थम्स अप अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, और आगे भी वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है, सो डोंट गो एनीवेयर. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज सो मच लव. एंड आज का ये जो लुक है, अगर आपको इसकी वीडियो देखनी है, सो एंड वॉच माई IGTV वीडियो दैट आई जस्ट अपलोडेड एंड यू कैन सी हाउ आई achieve this look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Skincare, because makeup skincare के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है. If your skin is not good, it's drying, it's patchy, and you have like pigmentation and like dark spots, it will be difficult for you to make a flawless base. After washing your face, apply a good moisturizer. Moisturize your skin. After moisturizing, it's good to have a face oil. Face oil do one thing, that it really hydrates your skin and it also helps to moisturize from within. And जो crackiness देखी आपने फेस मतलब फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद, वो नहीं आती है. And face oils are so good. Applying this cream, I apply this oil, this Good Vibes oil. Good Vibes products are like so good and so affordable, guys. I must tell you कि अगर आपको कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट स्किन केयर में चाहिए, you just go for good vibes. And Good Vibes के products are like cruelty free. That is like the best thing ever. You get cruelty free products. Also they are so good on your skin. And मेरे स्किन पे इतने पिंपल्स हो गए थे और उसके स्पॉट्स हो गए थे, एंड इसको लगाने के बाद after a week I have seen difference in my skin and it now feels so good. You can't believe this 10 ml bottle is just for 183 rupees, और इसका एक बड़ा वेरिएंट भी आता है जो 380 something का होगा. So that is very affordable. You should definitely get it. I ordered it from Purple, so you can order it. मैं लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, वहां से आप ले सकते हो. Move on to concealer. Concealer के लिए if you need a affordable option, I have this for you. This is Swiss Beauty concealer and it is so good, like so good. I love this concealer. This is just for like 170 rupees and इसका प्राइस वेरी करता रहता है. like Amazon पे कुछ होगा, पर्पल पे कुछ है, एंड नायका पे भी आपको स्विस ब्यूटी के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. बट दिस इज रियली गुड एंड मेरे ये खत्म होने वाला है. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज लाइक the bottle is about to finish and I use it like anything and I love it. I'm in the shade 06. If you want to go for Swiss Beauty, you can also go for like Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Those are really affordable and under 500. Concealer के बाद बात आती है फाउंडेशन की, एंड फाउंडेशन में I have only one option for you that is superb and superb. This is like Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 220 natural beige and I just love this foundation. This is so good and this packaging is so cute. You can carry it with yours anywhere, like you can keep it in your bag and carry it with you so easily. So I think this is very good. You can order this version also, like this one. I have this in 220 natural beige. The shade is same. So मेरे पास ये वाली भी है. So I carry this. ये मेरी ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, अगर मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ तो मैं ये वाला कैरी करूंगी. बट इफ आई एम नॉट ट्रैवलिंग, आई यूज दिस. लगता है ऐसे नहीं लगता कि कुछ ओवर द टॉप लगा है. So I think this is really nice. Another thing that I have is compact. I use only this compact because I love it. This is Lakme Sun Expert and I just love it because it got 40 SPF. So आपके compact में SPF होना is really important. Even you can apply sunscreen before applying a makeup or stepping out. You need a coverage that give you sunscreen. तो मेरे हिसाब से sunscreen होना एक product में बहुत ज़रूरी है. And if you're getting it in your compact, then what's better than this? And you can see how much I've used it and it is so affordable just for 220 and Lakme पे तो काफ़ी अच्छे discounts आपको मिल जाएंगे on Nykaa. So I think this is really a nice product and you should definitely go for it. बात आती है loose powder की. For a beginner, it is not important to invest in a loose powder because to bake and everything, it is like something a step further. So आपको इतना डिटेल में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But still, if you want a banana powder, then you can definitely go for this Blue Heaven Sapphire translucent powder. This is so good, guys, and this is so affordable, you can see, and it's such good quantity and you get this sponge with it. And I have bought it from Nykaa and this is for rupees 125. You can't expect anything else better than this. After compact and everything, I'm going to talk about the blush because blush is like everything. I have like two options. Like one that I use is this Miss Clair 08 lipstick for my blush. It is super good, guys. It is super good and lipstick का काम भी करेगी, blush का काम भी करेगी. I'll give you the shade. As you can see, बहुत ही pinky सा है. If you want that pink glow, but ये ऐसे नहीं है कि इतना pink है तो गाल एकदम pink कर देगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But when you're going to like blend it, see, such a nice shade. I love this. So if you don't want to invest on a high-end blush, you can definitely check this out. This lipstick is 08 from Miss Clair, and Miss Clair lip creams are like wow. This you can definitely go for this Wet n Wild blush, and this is my favorite blush. I just love it. I have it on my cheeks right now. So this is in the shade Mellow Wine and this is so good. As you can see how good. I love these kind of blushes. Like I'll show you how it is. See how pretty shade. कितना प्यारा है यार. Very nice. So this Mellow Wine is perfect blush for a beginner and this is just for rupees I think 200 or 250 के आसपास का है ये. I'll give the link down below. I don't remember the actual price but it is below 500 से तो कम का ही है but very nice product. So blush के बाद हम बात करते हैं highlighter की, जो कि बहुत ही ज़रूरी है because without highlighter makeup is incomplete. So I have two choices for you. Both are under 500. This is Wet n Wild and it is in this Precious Petals and it is such a good highlighter. As you can see, such a nice one. बहुत प्यारा highlighter है. Definitely recommend this. I have it right now. I'm wearing this only and I just love it. Look at the shine. I just love it. So if you don't want this, you can also go for this. This is also a good highlighter and you can see कि मैंने इसकी क्या हालत कर रखी है. Oh, it's already falling down. ये थोड़ा goldenish color में है. So if you don't want, वो थोड़ा अलग सा shade है and this is the highlighter. ये Maybelline का Master Strobe highlighter and this is in the shade Molten Gold and ये थोड़ा silverish था जो Wet n Wild वाला था. ये थोड़ा golden side में है and this is also very nice highlighter. You can see this is Wet n Wild and this is another Maybelline one. So both are really good and under 500. So I highly recommend both of them. You can buy any of them. So this is my first affordable palette just for rupees like 500 कुछ का मुझे मिल गया था after discount on Nykaa and I just love this palette. It got every color but nowadays we have like बहुत सारे options आ चुके हैं. So if you don't want to invest because ये eyebrow का भी काम करता था. इसमें काफ़ी ऐसे शेड्स है जिससे आप आईब्रो भी बना सकते हो. So it's a multi use palette. Highlighter भी इसमें आपको मिल जाता था. This shade works as a highlighter. So I used it like a lot but अब मैं इसको यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. And now I have another palette recommendation for you but that also you can buy. That is really a good palette and it's multi-purpose है. But I really recommend this Rose in the Air shade palette from Wet n Wild and 500 के अंदर इसमें काफ़ी variants है और different colors के हैं. I really love this palette and इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे shades हैं. I use it highly and I love this shade and this shade. I really love it and ये वाला shade भी बहुत प्यारा है. and they are so pigmented and they're so good. Just this color is little powdery, otherwise all colors are like super good, and you can create such good looks with this palette. And ये 500 के अंदर है, तो I highly recommend this palette. This is like super good palette. But if you're a beginner, you should definitely go for the earlier one जो मैंने आपको भी दिखाया. But if you want to invest a little more, you can definitely check this out. This is the Flawless palette from Makeup Revolution. I just got it and इसमें बहुत प्यारे shades हैं, and इसमें shimmery shades भी है, क्योंकि shimmery looks बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, and they are so trendy and they look so good. But आजकल like pinky neon shades are like so in. You can definitely get this pink, beautiful pink color and this brown color, and ये बहुत ही अच्छे subtle से colors भी है इसमें, different आपको variety मिल जाएगी. And एक NYX का palette भी आता है, you can definitely check that out. That is really good. I'll give the links down below for the affordable palettes that you can really invest in. After moving from eyeshadow, I definitely want to recommend something for your eyebrows. And eyebrows के लिए I have one affordable option. This is Miss Clair eyebrow cake, and you can get nothing better than this, like nothing better than this. This is such a nice product, and this is like my second one, and पहला मैं finish कर चुकी हूँ. And you get such nice colors, like this dark black color, this brown, and this like little ash brown color सा भी है, and this grey color. So you get such good variety. तो आपकी eyebrow के hair जैसे भी हों, आपको कोई ना कोई ऑप्शन सूट करेगा ही करेगा. एंड इसमें से कुछ आप अपना एज अ आई शेडो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ रियली गुड. एंड ये जस्ट फॉर लाइक 350 रुपीज़ समथिंग का मैंने लिया है, एंड इस पर काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट मिल जाते हैं. मिस क्लेयर प्रोडक्ट्स आर रियली गुड. आई लव दिस. एंड आईब्रो के लिए आई डोंट रिकमेंड एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो आफ्टर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग डन, you need a makeup spray. So I recommend two products for makeup spray. First is this natural Wet n Wild Photo Focus Fit Natural spray. This is just for rupees like 350 something, and this is such a nice product and so cute packaging. You can carry it with yourself anywhere, and मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड इट्स अबाउट टू फिनिश नाउ. एंड आई थिंक इतना ज़्यादा स्पेंड करने से बेटर है कि वेट एंड वाइल्ड के फिक्सिंग स्प्रेज ले लो, बिकॉज दोज आर लाइक रियली गुड, एंड आई रियली लव दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. वेट एंड वाइल्ड के स्प्रे आपको अफोर्डेबल भी मिलेंगे एंड अच्छे भी मिलेंगे, और आप मेकअप आपका लाइक 6 to 7 hours कहीं नहीं जाने वाला आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस. एंड इफ यू वॉन्ट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग योर मेकअप फिक्सिंग स्प्रे, यू वॉन्ट अ ग्लो इन योर मेकअप, आई एम गोइंग टू रिकमेंड समथिंग फॉर यू दैट इज लाइक such a heavenly product. This is Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner, and this is such a good product. You can use it as a toner after washing your face, that I do on a daily basis. But makeup apply करने के बाद अगर आप इसको apply करते हैं, you will see a change in your makeup. It will change the game of the makeup. इतना प्यारा ग्लो आता है मेकअप में आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस. Got no parabens, no sulfates, cruelty free, and no alcohol. So like Good Vibes really impressed me, and I'm really happy that I tried this, and now I'm going to use it like a lot, and I am going to recommend it to each and everyone out there. I highly recommend this product if you need a glow in your makeup. So you should definitely check this out. Now we're going to talk about the lipsticks. Those are like my favorite thing ever. First I'm going to talk about the affordable lipsticks. Those are like Miss Clair lip creams, and nothing affordable and better thing you can get than this. You can see how many I have, like a lot, and I got those like pinky shades, like neutral shades. I have this red. This 10 shade is like the most pretty shade I've ever seen in red, and I really love it. And this 31 shade is the perfect nude that you need in your life, and this 12 shade is the perfect pink that you need in your life. So pink के लिए 12, and nude के लिए I recommend 31, and then if you need a red, then you need 10. So आपको इसमें सारी variety मिलेगी guys, and this is like super good and super comfortable on your lips. It's not drying and it turns matte, and I love matte. So now I'm going to talk about another lipstick that I have, and I really love it. These are like from Wet n Wild. This is one Give Me Mocha that I'm wearing right now. I love this lipstick. This is my go-to lipstick every day, every single day, and this is in the shade Rebel Rose. This is also from Wet n Wild. You can top it up with another lipstick and mix and match and everything, and you can use them like any way you want, but these are like my fave. So last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the brushes that you really need in your life. And brushes के बिना makeup तो complete ही नहीं हो सकता है. So you can order the best brushes from Shein. I don't recommend any other website for the brushes. I think those are like the best brushes, best in quality. You can see all these brushes that I have and I'm using on daily basis. These all are from Shein. So मैं link नीचे डाल दूँगी description box पे. I'll show you the picture also here. So you can definitely see. मैं आपको 2 ऑप्शंस दूंगी ब्रशेस के लिए, जिसमें आपको आई मेकअप के लिए ब्रशेस मिल जाएंगे एंड फेस के लिए आपको ब्रशेस अलग से जो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगी. तो मैं दोनों चीज़ें आपको यहाँ दिखा दूंगी शीन से, which I got, and these are like super good quality in brushes, so I'll definitely give you that option. So that's all you need in your life when you are a beginner and you're going to start that makeup. And my lash is going somewhere. So thank you for watching guys, thank you for watching my video and giving your time. I hope कि आपको ये सारे products बहुत अच्छे लगे हों, आपको पसंद आई हो ये video. And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up.